Hey everybody, Zach at River Valley Marine here in Red Wing, Minnesota on a beautiful boat to take you through today. This here's a 2024 Yamaha 222 SE. 39.3 hours on it, so very lightly used. Beautiful used boat. Take you through the boat a little bit. The exterior absolutely shines. Beautiful gray hull with the black striping, black framed windshield, black tower, black Bimini top, and it does have a full mooring cover. Noticed it's matched with the Shorelander trailer. It does have a folding tongue as well. Work your way on the outside of the boat. Some notable features: stainless steel pop-out cleats, stainless steel bow rail, stainless steel docking lights out the front. Work your way down the side of the boat. You're going to see your fuel fill, fuel vent, black Yamaha badging right down the back of the boat. And as we work our way to the swim platform, take a look at this feature loaded area. The customer has the swim seats, which can also be flipped into the table. The cockpit table can go right back here in the swim platform. You've got these oversized lounge seats, stereo controls, cup holders, sound system back here, ski tow eye, an absolutely beautiful swim platform setup on this 222 SE. And to simply work your way back down the starboard side of the boat, equally as beautiful and shiny boat. And from there, we're going to hop inside the cockpit area of the 222. So check this out, an absolute luxury boat and much larger feeling than most 22-foot boats in the industry. You take a look at the stitch work, the color combination, the cool touch vinyl, the cup holders, the grab rails, the tuck under storage areas, the co-captain seat, beautiful stitch work, absolutely gorgeous cup holders. Love the way they put that SeaDek padding in there. 2 glove boxes, wireless phone charger up above, the sea decking up on top as well, gives it just a beautiful look. Work your way over to the helm. You've got this beautiful helm seat. Love the contrasting colors, the stitch work. It does recline, goes forward and backwards. You've got a flip out bolster. Since we're here, we're going to work our way to the helm because this is absolutely incredible on the 222 SE. E standing for electronic shift, so we have electronic shift down below. Gives you the push button start, so you have push button start there with the E series. Redundancy with the stainless steel pop out switches, or the stainless steel switches there. Full floating dash. So you've got the Yamaha Connext touchscreen. That's going to give you everything from fuel and depth. You can turn on your bilge blower and your bilge pump and your nav lights. Compass on the top. You've got audio control, lighting control, mapping, everything you could want at your fingertips. You also have your cruise and no wake modes over here, wireless charger, USB, everything in one easy area, and it is absolutely gorgeous dash on the 222 SE. Work our way to the bow of the boat and look at how big this is very far forward. This is a monster bow section in the 22-foot Yamaha and beautifully detailed. You've got the speakers up front, recessed grab handles along with the recessed cup holders. The 2 front seats can actually be removed if you want more standing room. Same thing on this side here. Absolutely gorgeous. And then it does have the bow filler cushions that can fill the middle in as well. All the way in the very front, you do have an anchor locker along with a bow ladder. Beautiful hatch and latch and stainless strut, all fully finished. Absolutely gorgeous looking anchor locker in the 222 SE. When it comes to storage in the boat, it's definitely accessible. Nicely hinged seats here in the front. All rotocast backing, so no wood in any of the seats, and easily accessible to things like the bow filler cushions. Under both the starboard and port side, you have storage. That storage runs continuously under those bow seats all the way forward. You also have a trash can mounted on the port side, and your starboard door can work as the bow block-off door. The in-floor storage, equally as impressive, held up with a strut. It's all gasket sealed, channeled, and drainable, but it's fully finished and it is big, and it's absolutely beautiful the way Yamaha does fully gel-coated, fully finished in-floor lockers on the 222 SE. And at the back of the boat here on the port side, you've got your battery switches and some storage down below. And then you got quick access storage on your starboard side as well. All right, so the heart and soul of the 222 SE lies right here in the back of the boat with the twin 1.9 liter HO Yamahas, 200 horsepower each. Absolutely beautiful, superiorly clean, just a gorgeous looking motor compartment. You're also going to notice the side storage behind the batteries and side storage on the other side as well. As I mentioned, just over 39 hours, 39.2, 39.6. So not a lot of time on this 2024 Yamaha. So that concludes a quick video walk around of this 2024 Yamaha 222 SE. Absolutely gorgeous boat, loaded with a lot of features, lightly used, great color combo, great motor package, bow filler cushions, nice tower, Bimini top, trailer, the swim seats. It all adds to just a wonderful package. Again, I'm Zach at River Valley Marine here in Red Wing, Minnesota. Be glad to talk to you more about this boat, answer any questions you might have, and we certainly can set up a time to view. Thank you again for taking the time to watch our video, and hopefully we'll see you out on the water.